Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Click Lock Presidio case from Speck right here. Very nice case. This is the Click Lock version, so you can see the little Click Lock slot down there. And I do have their Click Lock wallet right here as well. So you can snap that on there. It snaps on with MagSafe, and then there's a little piece on the bottom here. You guys can't really see it too much, but a little piece on the bottom right there that is that comes out when the magnet attaches, and it goes into that little slot and it locks it in there so you don't have any side-to-side movement, which is very nice. They also do have some other accessories like stands, and my favorite is going to be this car mount because you don't have to worry about your phone turning side to side when it's on your car mount, which is a common thing I had happen with MagSafe. The phone would want to rotate, especially if you had like a cable plugged into it or something like that that was kind of pulling it one way or the other. They do have clear versions. This is the iPhone 15 Pro version, but they have clear versions. I do have the clear version for the Pro Max as well right here, so might try that out as well. But I like this color case, the kind of like gray with the almost brown to bronze accenting on the buttons in the corners. Very, very nice case. And of course you can use these Click Lock accessories with a regular MagSafe case or with just the phone itself, because it still does support MagSafe. You will have the magnet down here, you just won't have the actual Click Lock piece that it goes in and attaches to the case right there. So that is the new Speck Presidio 2 Click Lock case right here. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.